In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best survival saw available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best survival saw, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Buying guide present top 5 best survival saw. Let's get started. Number 1. Folding hand saw with ergonomic TPR handle. It's fully capable of getting through both wet and dry bush. The grip doubles as a blade storage slot. When opened, you'll have full access to a fine-tooth blade that measures about 8 inches long. It's made out of 65 Mn steel, which is equivalent to carbon steel in terms of toughness. A smooth coating on top helps to prevent corrosion. Plus, it reduces friction for a more efficient cutting experience. If safety is a concern, this blade has you covered. A small locking mechanism on the hinge prevents the blade from accidentally collapsing. It's surprisingly durable and can hold the blade in place even through some rigorous cutting. Sharp 8-inch blade. The saw blade is made from 65 Mn steel. Strong safety lock. Comes with a full lifetime warranty.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw 36-inch long chain. Here's a unique option that does away with traditional tool conventions. Rather than a fixed blade, this saw uses a long chain that's decked out with serrated teeth. It's the same type of blade you would see on a mechanical chainsaw, but this one is all hand-powered. The blade measures about 36 inches long. Crafted out of high-carbon heat-treated steel, it's ultra-durable. While the teeth are larger and farther apart, they do just fine at slicing through thick branches and tree trunks. This saw's capabilities go beyond that of a traditional survival saw. On both ends of the chain are 2 nylon grips. To cut through wood, simply wrap the chain around the piece and move your arms in a back and forth motion. This action will cut through the wood on 3 sides. Make quick work of thinner branches. Thick 36-inch chain for more efficient sawing. Made with strong handles and metal brackets. The chain can be sharpened easily. Comes with a lifetime guarantee.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 3. Skyocean Pocket Chainsaw with Paracord handle. This pocket chainsaw from Skyocean is the epitome of portability. Like the other chainsaw we covered, this unit comes with a simple storage pouch that takes up very little room. But once you take the survival saw out, you have a significant amount of cutting surface to slice through anything. The chain measures 36 inches long. On both ends, you have woven paracord handles. The paracord provides exceptional grip while you cut. But you can unwind the cord whenever you're in a pinch. You don't have to worry about durability with this bushcraft saw. The chainsaw blade is made out of industrial-grade steel that's heat-treated for additional strength. The links feature bidirectional teeth. The teeth are thick and strong, cutting through wood with every movement of your arm. 36-inch chain. The whole saw only weighs 0.44 pounds. Comes with multi-purpose paracord handles for survival scenarios. Chain made from industrial heat-treated stainless steel.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 4. Corona RS7265D RazorTOOTH Folding Pruning Saw. This tool is surprisingly efficient in tough environments. Tease a folding knife that's equipped with an impressive 10-inch blade. The blade is curved, which can improve bite as you cut your way through the wood. The serration design is quite impressive too. It has 3-sided teeth, ensuring that you're getting maximum cutting power with every stroke. As for materials, the saw doesn't disappoint. Impulse-hardened steel is the material of choice for the blade. It's plated in chrome for lasting durability and reduced friction. The handle is molded plastic. Several patches of non-slip rubber help to improve grip. Meanwhile, the contoured shape fits nicely in your hand to prevent fatigue. 10-inch blade. 3-sided razor teeth for fast sawing. Convenient safety latch. Ergonomic co-molded handle.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 5. Bahco 396 LAP Laplander Folding Saw. This folding survival saw from Bahco has a lot going for it. It's similar in size to a pocket knife, which is great for portability's sake. The saw can easily slip into your pocket or bag, ensuring that it's always in reach. Even with its small folded size, the saw is sporting a 7.5-inch blade. The fine-tooth blade has 7 teeth per inch. As a result, it effortlessly cuts through hardwoods and other tough materials. Yet, it provides a smoother finish that's not going to cause splintering. The blade is stainless steel. Additional coatings keep the steel protected from the elements while also reducing friction. The handle is simple in design, but it offers adequate grip. It's made of 2 different plastics that are molded to create a grippy texture. At the hinge, the bushcraft saw has a simple safety lock. The lock works both ways. 7.5-inch blade. 7 teeth per inch for fast cutting. 2-component plastic handle. Made with a sturdy and reliable safety lock. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.